Welcome to Travel Trip Destinations. Have you ever imagined living in another country? Well, buckle up. I am going to reveal to you 3 countries you can move to tomorrow. I'm showing you 3 countries you could literally move to tomorrow. Quick visa wins, real-world costs, safety, food, and infrastructure. Let's go. Number 1. Georgia, Tbilisi. Why it's easy. Many passports get visa-free entry up to 1 year. Land, work online, figure it out on the ground. Costs snapshot. Studio apartment from $350 to $600 per month. Street khachapuri $2 to $3. Coffee about $150. 100 Mbps internet $12 to $18 a month. Prepaid SIM $5 to $10. Safety and vibe. Generally safe, friendly, late-night cafes. Deep food scene, Kinkali, wine culture, and bakeries on every corner. Infrastructure. Walkable center, solid fiber internet, growing co-working scene. Dealmaker. That 1-year visa-free window for a ton of nationalities. Number 2. Mexico. Ciudad de Mexico. Mérida, Guadalajara. Why it's easy. Many can enter visa-free up to 180 days. If you like it, look into the temporary resident visa. Income-based. Cost snapshot. City center room $3 to $500. 1 bed $5 to $900. Tacos $1 to $2 each. Great coffee $2 to $3. Home internet $20 to $30 a month. SIM $10 with data. Safety and vibe varies by city and neighborhood. Pick safe areas. Use common sense. Street to fine dining. Infrastructure. Good flights, modern malls, hospitals, co-working, Uber everywhere. Dealmaker 6 months on arrival for many passports. Number 3. Albania, Tirana, and Saranda. Why it's easy. Visa-free for many. U.S. citizens get up to 1 year. Others often 90 days. Check your passport. Costs snapshot. 1 bed $3 to $600 per month. Buy rec $1, espresso 1, sit-down meal $5 to $10. Internet $15 to $25 a month. Safety and vibe. Chill, welcoming, Mediterranean energy, seaside towns. Infrastructure. New cafes, improving roads, fast home internet, decent medical in cities. Dealmaker. Simple entry plus low cost of living on the Adriatic. Reality check. Your passport matters. Always confirm entry rules, required funds, and onward tickets. And test a city for 2 to 4 weeks before committing. If I had to pick a starter plan, fly in, grab a local SIM, short-term Airbnb, walk the neighborhood, and price out gyms, groceries, and co-working in 1 day. If it clicks, hunt a monthly rental and set up banking and healthcare next. Want part 2 with Southeast Asia and Eastern Europe picks? Like, drop your passport country in the comments for tailored options, and subscribe for more travel savings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.